Are you curious about kundalini and other spiritual awakening or ascension symptoms? If so, you are invited and encouraged to attend the next Stories of the Awakening, an online storytelling event from Awakening Anonymous. Our featured guest on March 9th is Corinne Lebrun, who will share her story about living with kundalini and becoming a spiritual warrior in the modern era. Guests who attend live will receive a free copy of Corinne's new book and will also be able to participate in the live Q&A with Corinne after her story. Reserve your spot for this event or learn more about upcoming Awakening and Conscious webinars, support meetings, and more at meetup.com/Awakening Anonymous.